Hey folks, we're back up there at the cabin. We're in the camper. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some stuff together. It's hot out there, hot, humid. I'm sweating, so I figure the bandana thing. You know, back in the old days, you know, I used to wear one. But anyway, it's called a Alaskan chainsaw mill, and we're gonna put this thing together. By the time we get it together and all that, get everything ready, it's gonna be really hot then, and we may end up coming up early in the morning and put it on that big log and see if we can cut some boards out of it. Hope everything works out. So we're fixing to start on it. I got Junior up here. He's gonna help me put it together. We'll go ahead and start on it right now in a few minutes. We'll get back with you in a little bit.
We're not going to be able to use that on there right yet because we ain't got the angle iron to bolt it up on here the way we want it to. So the angle iron would have to sit here somewhere, or a plate, so we can have that so we can ratchet it. So we're not going to put that on there just yet. So we'll wait and see if we can find something for that. I didn't know you was recording over here too, so we got two cameras going on here. I hope both of y'all can hear me. But what I was saying to them was we're going to wait to put the trailer winch on, because the trailer winch needs something to mount to, and we ain't got nothing here to mount it to. So we'll have to take something and put back here like a plate, and then that'll be next week's project, because we're going to get some angle iron maybe from my uncle. It's my dad's uncle, so it's my great uncle. So we'll have to go get that from him. Once we get that next weekend, we'll have that part done. But we are still going to try this out today, right? Or tomorrow.
It's going on how things go.
Yeah.
Because we got a few other things we got to put on down there too.
Yeah, but we got to see if we'll see if it works, and if it works the way we want it to, then we'll know, hey, this stuff works, and that'll make it a whole lot easier. Excuse me. So, just thought I'd explain that to you guys. We're going to see how this works now. Let's move this out again.
And that chainsaw's 20 inch.
20-inch Black Max chainsaw.
So my other one's a 18.
So, yeah, this one, the 20-inch will do a whole lot better. We'll set this down gently right here so we don't cut nothing. If we do, it's just furniture. So, move this out of the way. Well, that tip, yeah, tip will get in the way. I'm just going to use the footage off his camera on this part and just put it on there, because his is closer and it's smaller camera, and get in here closer.
You don't want to tell me what we're doing because
Come on, Mama. We are putting this on here. It ain't on here. Where'd you put Mama chocolate?
in the refrigerator.
slide this in here.
Are you far enough?
Gotta loosen up a little. There's that one.
He just told right now.
Alright, and now we got it in here, we gotta make sure it's centered up.
Well, we gotta lay it down.
We're gonna flip it back this way. Bring that to the center. Both of them. You good on your side? Let me bring you guys in over here so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna bring my side in. Nope, we're going too far. Right there.
Okay. I was going by the, the letter thing right here that's just rich. And then you're gonna be pinching it over there.
I'm not anywhere near it.
Okay.
How's it look? How's it look?
We needed a socket and a ratchet, didn't we?
Yep.
Speed handle. Down because that big log right there, it ain't gonna fit in between there. So we gotta loosen this. Don't see it.
See, I got one right here. I got some more adapters to go on that for folks had.
There's a little pulley in here, right?
Yeah.
So you,
I can go in a little bit here.
alright.
So we're learning this as we go, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
So as we learn, you guys are learning too. Alright, that's all the way forward.
Oh, we gotta tighten these up there. That's what twisting. Come loose. Come loose, that means out.
Everything still spins free in here. That's good. So, what now?
But I got another thing out there. We got to screw into the. We got to take the drill and it's got screws with it. The bolts to the log on each end. And we bolt that to it, and then we set them two forwards on top of it, so this will ride on it. And we'll may have to loosen that up, lower it down, or below it. We'll see how it does to get started.
We put this on wrong.
No, it didn't.
It is, because you gotta. Are you gonna do it like that?
Which way you supposed to? Yeah, it's like you squeeze up here.
Yeah, but wouldn't it be easier if you done?
No, you're gonna hold like this, and you're gonna push like this all the way down the log. You're gonna be pulling.
The grip threw me off then.
Better.
Better. Problem solved.
You remember we talked about that last time?
Yeah. So, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I need to take me a powder or something, you know, from my head. I gotta take this back here. We can do real good for it. We may not do good for that big tree right there. It should work out. If we don't, we'll just take this off, and this right here off. And also, what's his name? Ringworm.
Ryan?
Ryan from Ringworm, I think his is about 20 incher, his blade. And he uses one about like this, you know, cut off. But I don't think this is on his. I don't think. The wood is so darn hard. We may have to figure out how to put that thing on there. That winch tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or in the future. We'll see what we can do with it.
But all this stuff is brand new. Brand new chainsaw. Just took it out the box today. We've had it for a year.
Yeah, we've had this a year, chainsaw about a year.
Yeah, but we hadn't really used it yet.
Nothing.
Just so it's all new. We put it together last year, filmed it, but don't know where the footage is.
Yeah. But we put the Prezi on it.
We put the Prezi was like a, what's that kind of saw? It's like
It's a Prezi bean cutter.
What's that kind of saw that you use? It's a worm-driven saw that you put the Prezi bean cutter on. You gotta have a certain kind of DeWalt worm-driven skill saw. So,
with the handle in the back.
yeah, with the handle in the back instead of in the sides. So that was hard to find.
Yeah. I'm gonna use it hopefully to do it.
Down.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this little wonky piece off of here. Try to get it straight if I can get it. We'll just see what happens. hardwood.
Alright, this little piece right here. You see how humped up it is?
Yeah.
Kind of try to level it out a little bit. That way it won't be going uphill.
I'm gonna try to level it out. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try my best to level it out.
Got some, don't we?
Yeah, it needs some.
We'll have some. Okay.
You know, this will fit to a 20-inch.
Really?
Yeah. These are made for 16 to 20 inches.
It helps put it on, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you might. Hey man, I cut pretty straight, don't I?
Yeah.
That still went a little wonky down at the end.
Yeah.
That was when you was doing it.
You had it already aimed that way.
Well,
Alright.
that looks good.
Alright, now we bought these off Amazon. You're supposed to screw them onto here, you know, just a little bit above. Screw them onto there. We didn't bring the level, did we? We get on the level as we can, you know, and screw them on there. And we put one on the other end. And then that's when we put that two before, we set them right in here, and we're going to screw them on. So they won't be wobbling. And run the chainsaw mill down there.
Will the chainsaw mill cut the top or does it cut the sides?
It's going to cut a layer off the top. And then we'll start cutting the boards off like that.
Oh. Sound like they stopped right out there, didn't they?
Sound like it.
Get it level for you.
That screw.
That looks about right.
All right.
I know somebody's gonna say, you can't tell if it's level by just looking at it like that. Well, I hung up a TV about 3 years ago, and somebody else was standing right here told me the same thing. It was level, wasn't it?
Yep.
But
Do the other end.
now, I'll do the other end. Put this on there so we can see.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Look, it's too wide.
Too wide?
Yeah.
Flip it around, it won't be.
Can't flip it around because I got to put the boards in between.
Flip it around.
Good idea. I knew, for some reason, I brung him up here with me. That's why I brung him up here. I got a headache.
I can't flip it around.
That's gonna be a little. All right, level it at. I guess they're gonna be playing that in the pool, ain't they?
I guess so. That's about right. Let me look from this end.
Good enough.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
That's great.
They're right there.
Yep. So it is similar to what ringworm done. Ryan, they're similar to what he's got.
Well, how's this gonna cut it in?
I'm going to show you in just a little bit. Give him a couple more of them screws. Okay, and two more.
That would be
And then I'm going to need a couple down there on the other end.
two more.
All right, so you
The whole back.
set it back in there.
Watch your head.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the board. Here, sun's catching up with us.
Yeah, we're gonna have to call it quits in a little bit.
We'll get one or two cut. Now we're going to do this side.
Right.
Now we gotta
Adjust this.
adjust this. While you loosen it, and then I'll wait. Didn't bring it right towards it. We're gonna have an inch or 2 16. the oh, this is in there.
Thing to adjust the.
Hold it. Hold it so it won't fall off.
Mine just cut off.
This. Down below it.
Right there?
Yeah. Tight yours up and then we'll adjust mine.
I see how it's going to work.
Really?
Yeah, I see it now. All the plans coming together.
Yeah.
I told you it worked. Got that where you want?
You know, we may end up taking that, this piece off right here.
What?
We may end up taking this one off. Because, whenever we get on down there where it's wider,
Yeah.
it may not work right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna we gotta oil it up, gas it up. You done oiled it?
Nope.
Oh, we put oil in the oven, didn't we?
Yeah, put oil in the oven. side right in here from the tree, but it's got this much left over on this side, and it's got about that much on this side, so it's got about maybe 1.25 inches that it can play, and I think it'll go all the way through it.
I hope so for the last.
So maybe we'll get this one cut today. So, it's hot. The whole thing's hot.
I'll let it cool off a minute.
But I wish I'd have brought me some water up here.
When we get close to that thing up there, you have to start
Yeah,
watching.
watch it. Make sure you don't hit this metal piece. I did not understand this at first. Until now. That is cool. How that works. I like it.
It's all right, but on that hardwood,
Mm.
it's too rough on it.
Yeah, this stuff is
Pine, it probably go right through it.
It probably can fly right through pine. I found the perfect song for doing this right here. And I've been singing it in my head all day. But I don't know if YouTube will let me put that song on here. I got it off of, what was it? It was a game I was playing. It was Red Dead Redemption 2. And then for some reason it just played the other day. I was watching a video, and then that song played, and I said, oh my God, that'd be perfect if we would, when we're building this cabin back, because it talks about, you know, cutting the boards, building the house together. And it's a pretty funny song. It's pretty cool. But I wish I could get in touch with the artist and see if I could use it on our channels. It'd be kind of cool when we're building stuff.
See if we can get it cranked up again.
Right. So we're gonna try to keep you guys rolling until we get this thing cut. And we only got a foot left to cut.
Well, my battery's probably about dead. Go ahead and cut mine off till I get to the end.
Okay, we're gonna.
About 30 minutes.
Oh yeah, him battery about dead.
I didn't miss it. Did it mess it up?
No. Just barely nipped it.
Well, I have to sharpen that chain.
Yep.
I got it, I didn't.
Okay. Well, it works. It's just, we still got a lot of learning to do on it. So, take it apart and look and see what our first cut is, right, Dad?
Huh?
We're gonna take it off and see what our first cut is.
Yeah, we're gonna take the chainsaw one out. We'll take these off. Yeah, you just have to wait. Take these things off already. Or you can, now I can pull it all the way back.
How can I? You got the damn.
Just pull it. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, you gotta put the things in it where we had it so I can take it out.
Wait a minute. You can go on out with it.
Yeah, with the things in it. It's. Where'd you take them?
Come on. Take this off now. It is hot. They're gonna go by it. You gotta go for more. Wait a minute. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ooh, that thing is smoking hot.
We need a 3. Yeah, just take those 3 off. Those 3 down there. We'll leave it off. You excited? I want to see what it looks like.
Pretty cool.
Look at it down there. Alright, we're gonna set it on that log right there. Or this one right here.
Okay, that over there?
Yeah, we're just gonna set this up. So I take that back up there to the house and set it for it to be straight,
Yeah.
or the sun won't warp it. Alright, we'll come over here and get a closer look. Let's see what it's gonna look like. That thing's gonna be heavy. We'll have to cut that up with firewood.
Ooh, what, this one?
Yeah, I'll throw it off.
Right now. Oh, guys, look at that. Look, look, look.
Let me brush, don't we?
Still wet. I like that little saw marks right there. That's kind of cool.
Now the next saw thing, we'll set it to be with about like this.
Yeah. Kind of gave a little smooth cut too, except for those little rough sawing right there. That's kind of cool.
That's why I got that little planer to go over that.
Yeah, we do need a brush. What? I like that. Pretty cool.
Well, I messed up my chain right there when it hit that metal at the end. But other than that, you know, it done pretty good. I'm gonna have to get another chain for it. The bar might be all right, but the chain, I think it messed it up pretty bad. I'll try to sharpen it later, but I'll get another chain for it. But we'll have to try again tomorrow. And it looks pretty good. So this is where we're going to close on this one today. You know, it's hot. It is very hot. Had fun doing that, but it took a while. I'd rather have a saw mill instead of a chainsaw mill. And you got a little, don't get that all on me. Got enough on me. And this is where we're going to end the day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.